Layton homeowners are always looking for ways to make their homes feel larger, brighter, and more functional, without adding square footage or undergoing major renovations. One upgrade that delivers all three benefits is the addition of bay windows. More than just a visual enhancement, bay windows create usable interior space while improving comfort, natural light, and overall home appeal. When thoughtfully designed, bay windows can transform how Layton families use and enjoy their living spaces. Here's how functional bay window additions help maximize space in Layton homes. Creating additional interior space without remodeling. Bay windows extend outward from the exterior wall, forming a small alcove inside the room. This added space may seem modest, but it can make a significant difference in how a room functions. Homeowners use bay window areas for cozy reading nooks, additional seating, decorative displays, or greenery. This extra depth makes rooms feel larger and more versatile without expanding the home's footprint. Making rooms feel more open and airy. Even in rooms with limited square footage, bay windows change the perception of space. By breaking up flat wall lines and adding dimension, they create a more open feel. Benefits include improved visual depth, less boxed-in room layouts, a more dynamic interior design. In Layton homes, bay windows help smaller rooms feel more comfortable and inviting. Maximizing natural light from multiple angles. One of the standout features of bay windows is their ability to capture light from multiple directions. Instead of relying on a single pane, bay windows typically include 3 or more windows set at angles. This results in brighter interiors throughout the day, reduced need for artificial lighting, a more cheerful and welcoming atmosphere. Natural light enhances both the look and livability of any space. Enhancing functionality in key living areas. Bay windows are especially useful in areas where families spend the most time. Common placements include living rooms for seating or display space, dining areas for expanded visual openness, bedrooms for added light and character. These additions improve daily functionality while enhancing comfort. Improving layout flexibility. Flat walls limit furniture placement options. Bay windows introduce new layout possibilities that help homeowners rethink how they use a room. Bay window additions allow built-in seating with storage underneath window benches that double as functional furniture, creative use of space that wouldn't otherwise be possible. This flexibility makes bay windows a practical design solution. Increasing home value through smart design. Bay windows are highly desirable features that add both beauty and function. Buyers are often drawn to homes with architectural details that enhance space and light. Bay window additions increase curb appeal, improve interior design flow, boost perceived home value. In Layton's housing market, these features can make a home stand out. Energy-efficient options support year-round comfort. Modern bay windows are available with energy-efficient glass and frames that perform well in Layton's seasonal climate. Energy-efficient features include insulated glass to reduce heat transfer, tight seals to prevent drafts, durable frames that maintain performance. This ensures comfort without sacrificing efficiency. Professional design and installation matter to maximize space and performance. Bay windows must be properly designed and installed. Professional installation ensures correct support, sealing, and integration with the home's structure. This prevents drafts and air leaks, structural stress, long-term performance issues. Expert installation protects both comfort and investment. A practical way to reimagine your living space. Bay windows offer Layton homeowners a creative way to add usable space, light, and character without major construction. A smart space-enhancing upgrade for Layton homes. Functional bay window additions do more than improve aesthetics, they change how space is used. By adding depth, natural light, and versatile functionality, bay windows help Layton homeowners maximize space while enhancing comfort and value. For families looking to make their homes feel larger and more inviting, bay windows are a smart, stylish upgrade that delivers lasting benefits without the need for extensive remodeling.